In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile phone numbers in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the number to be added. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen because that's where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that left sidebar, click on Settings. This will take you into the configuration area where you can manage important account features. After that, stay on the left-hand side again and find Phone System. Go ahead and click it. This section is where you manage phone-related tools, including purchasing and assigning numbers. Once the Phone System page opens, move your attention to the top right corner and click Add Number. A menu or prompt will appear, and from there, click Add Phone Number. This begins the process of searching for a new number that you can use inside Gohighlevel. Next, you'll be asked to choose your country. Make sure you select the correct one, since available numbers can vary by region. After that, you can filter by area code. This is especially useful if you want a number that feels local to your business or to the audience you're serving. Taking a moment here to choose carefully can help with familiarity and trust when contacts receive calls or messages from that number. When the available options appear, select the number you want by clicking the circle beside it. Double-check the number before moving on, just to make sure it matches the area or style you want. Then click Proceed to Buy. After that, Gohighlevel will guide you into the verification process. Click Begin Verifying to continue. This step is important because phone number registration and verification are often required for compliance and proper activation. You'll then need to select the country your government ID is from. Choose the correct country from the drop-down or selection field. After that, upload a photo ID. When prompted, select the ID file from your computer and confirm the upload. Make sure the image is clear and readable so the verification process can move forward smoothly without delays. Once that's done, your number request and verification submission will be in progress. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for the platform to process the information. If you run into any issues, it's a good idea to recheck that the correct country was selected and that the ID image is easy to read. And that's how to add a mobile phone number in Gohighlevel.